Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, 'neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were spared by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never share. No one there to speak the sound of silence. Fool said, I do not know. Silence like a cancer grow. Hear my words and I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell in a well and echoed the sound of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said, the words of the prophet are written on the subway wall.